Mamutag, mga best mga bay.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. This morning, another beautiful day. There is Filipinas, there is Cebu, because we are here in Alegria. Yes, we are going to Montpelier. Montpelier Falls. But this is actually my first time, so I'm surprised. I thought I'd been here, but I have not.
Yeah, so we got a full itinerary today. Montpelier Falls.
Yes.
Petition to rename it. Cambais Falls after that, and then
Cancalan
and Nog.
We got a full day ahead of us, so
let's
get
go.
Going.
Okay, what's up, fam?
Niya pa nami
Sa Hagbong Tubig.
Hagbong Tubig. Actually, wala pa mi nakaabot, pero doon na lang.
Yeah, we can see it. It's quite large.
Very nice.
Very big. Anyway, can you see it? Okay, so we're gonna finish. Look down here. We're going to finish the trail now.
Because it's gonna be loud, so we're not gonna vlog down there. Just a little bit of B-roll.
Yeah, and then you can see it and see us have fun. Okay, bye.
Told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah.
Sige, kinsay mo bantay sa sakinan na mo. Komodoha. Apil siya. Wala. Unya, kung naay mo kawat sa among sakinan, unsay buhaton ninyo? Sumbagon gyud. Sige. Sige, so sila mo bantay sa among sakinan o mo kaon kami lunch. Pagpanyoto na mi. Igutom na. Isugo ng ulan, pastilan.
So we finished at Montpelier Falls. And now we're on our way to Cambais Falls, which is just near. Actually, it was kind of far, but it's in Alegria still. But first, we eat for more power.
Yes, rice is power.
So
we're at the entrance of Cambais.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we're actually at the entrance.
And they prepared some
They prepared food. The weather sucks right now, so we're gonna wait it out. Hopefully it gets better, so we can see the super blue water. If not, I don't know. We'll just go for it. Yeah. Maybe we'll revisit tomorrow, but I think we're still gonna do it today. So let's eat first. And Bai has the tuba. Tuba niya?
Tubig.
Tubig. Tubig. Tubig lang day. Sige, kaon na ta.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, cause I recall.
Hello. Oh, there's a big smudge. Look at you, you're so cute. Look at there. Wait, Junker. Oh, that's wet. Junker, stay here. Come here. Come. My dog friend. Hey, you sure? I sure them. Come here. Oh. What? Don't do that. Come here. Bye-bye.
So sige. We just finished up at Cambais Falls. Kulang mais.
What? What does Cambais mean?
I don't know.
Anyway.
Anyways, the water was freaking pumping.
Yeah.
Kuso kayo. So we couldn't actually climb up the waterfall, but we did jump. And so we jumped.
I jumped. You may have seen, if you are still watching this, that I didn't, but I did.
Oh yeah, I didn't film.
You didn't.
I filmed for like
waited,
30 minutes and she didn't.
I know.
jump.
I waited for him to leave and then I jumped. I didn't jump from that high spot. I jumped from the lower spot where I wanted to jump, but I did it. I did it, everyone. My hair's wet. It's proof.
Yes.
Yeah.
My eyes are tired.
Mine too. My contacts hurt.
All
Anyway.
right. We're gonna head back to Moalboal.
Yeah.
We're gonna join the LRS crew, aka where we're staying. Check it out on Airbnb.
Look down at the thing.
I am.
No, you're not. Okay.
I literally am.
Yeah, we're gonna have dinner with our Airbnb owners. Owners.
Yes.
We're having dinner with them because it is the R in LRS's birthday.
Yes.
Roland.
Shout out Roland.
Yeah, so I'm hungry, so let's go.
We'll see if we vlog it.
Maybe.
If not, we'll see you tomorrow. But we're gonna try to vlog it.
We'll
maybe.
try. Yeah, we'll see. Otherwise, maybe you can just see Knock Knock tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
All right, we're back in the hood. LRS, represent.
Up there.
Party's already started.
Yeah, started eating. I'm so hungry. She sent me a picture of the food. It looks good.
Finally, the sun comes out once the adventure stops. Focus.
Okay. There's lots for sale. Should we buy it?
All of it. Whoa ho ho! Dang! Yapon! Musta? Kapoy! Lingo! Check it out. We'll film it later. Hello! Alright, we're gonna shower real quick.
I don't want to yet. I'm so hungry.
Okay.
We just eat.
Knock knock. Who's there? I get it.
Knock knock. Who's there? It's knock knock. No, in.
Knock knock had a poop.
Where are you going?
No! You're not allowed outside. Come here. Ah. Here, baby. Oh. Yeah.
Knock knock.
Nabilin.
Why are you so tall?
You gotta put it down.
This is the worst angle ever. Anyway.
Look here.
Oh yeah.
You're not.
I am. We have made it home and we are now going to dig into lovely ladies' lovely dinner.
Hey.
Cool. So we're super hungry after all of our soroi, and now we will eat, and then
Yes.
I will work. Actually, not sleep. So.
Are you looking here?
No, I'm not.
Alright, count that.